Is where the washer and dryer is gonna be. And there's the bathroom window, so you can see it goes down to the wall. Walk over here, here's your doorway to the bathroom. Walk in. I guess that's where the toilet's gonna be, so because there's the window. Walk back out. The little doorway. And here is the entrance to your closet. Sneaky little turn right here. That's how they've been getting in and out of the place. Stay there. And there's Bugsy. Hey, Bugsy. And here's your big closet. It's pretty big. It's larger than the bathroom. Our bathroom. But it's nice. And here's to the entranceway to your bedroom. There's one of your windows. Another window, and then your big window. It's pretty big. And there's entrance to your bathroom. I don't know what kind of door you got, but they have a big opening here right now. Maybe they haven't finished the beaming, I don't know. There's your window above your bathtub. And back out the bathroom. The bedroom again. Let's see the hallway you've got. Hope this is upside down, but I don't know. And that's it.